Are you having problems that your Meta Horizon app is not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Meta Horizon app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then what I did myself is that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I'm just going to click on general in here, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here, and then I just simply waited for this page to completely load in here. Now when it was done, I just scrolled up in here until I can see the search bar up top. So I clicked on the search bar, I searched for Meta Horizon in here, as you can see, so just click on it and then click on Offload app in here. And then once again I clicked on Offload app, and we're just going to wait a couple of seconds here and then click on the blue button here once again. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times for some reason, but just click on it and then just simply wait now for your Meta Horizon app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this, and when it was done, I went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.